going on, boys and girls? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. Are you guys tired of losing money? You tired of losing money when the markets go down? You tired of navigating the market on your own, trying to figure out when's the next crash, when's the next dip? Are you fed up with thinking that the person on the other side of the trade has an advantage over you or knows something that you don't? Good. Because if you guys are ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, you've come to not only the right place, but you've come to the place. I want you to take a second right now. I want you to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to share this stream on your own social media. I have a lot to go over with you today, guys. The stock market is in full crash mode these last 3 days, but we're crushing it. Okay, big day in chat today. I'm going to walk you guys through it. True Trading Group is the fastest growing, highest rated premium online trading educational platform and community where we all share the same goal. That's to learn, trade, and profit together 6 nights a week right here on this YouTube channel. We go live for free where myself, other pro trader moderators, and special guests drop golden nuggets and free lessons and education that are going to help you become a better trader. Guys, my name is Michael Edward, former award-winning hedge fund trader, now the current head trader at True Trading Group. Along with my team of 6 other pro trader moderators, we cover all different styles of trading: day trading, swing trading, options, advanced options, shorting, long-term investing. There's literally something for everybody in TTG, guys, regardless of your trading style or your level of experience. I began my career working for a firm in New York, 2007. Then 2008 happened, the Great Recession, the market crash. Okay. I'm used to this type of volatility. I traded through the '08 crash where markets went down 50%. Okay. I've traded through it. Actually, in 2008, I received a Trader of the Year award from my firm, but they didn't let me touch $1 of their money until I first went through their training program. That is what taught me how to become the trader that I am here today. I didn't figure this stuff out on my own. I've since simplified that education. I've paired it with the top trading tools available today, and I've put it all on the TeachD platform for my TeachD members. Guys, tonight's live stream is going to be a damn good one. We called this yesterday. If you caught my live stream yesterday, this is why you need to subscribe to the channel. Yesterday on my live stream, I told you guys that I'm not convinced this is over. I told you that we could see an engulfing candle today, okay, that takes back yesterday's bounce, that tech was unable to get back above a key resistance level. And then I said, if we get that engulfing candle, I think we go lower. My number one trade idea today was the market's going lower, SPY puts. I'm going to walk you guys through the entire setup, and you're going to learn a lot from it. I have a lot to go over with you guys tonight in this live stream, so I hope you guys are ready to learn. Before we get started, this is how things are going to go down tonight. I'm starting this live stream off with a 15-minute Q&A. We're going to give some time for people to log on. You guys can ask me questions, whatever it is that you need help with. Don't be shy. Don't be embarrassed. Don't feel like your question is stupid. There's no such thing as a stupid question, only questions that are going to help you to learn, and that's what counts. Then we're going to talk about Wednesday's stock market recap. What the hell happened today? Why did the markets crash these last couple of days? What's going on? What are the story headlines that are moving the markets? Don't worry, I got you covered. I'm going to explain to you guys exactly what's happening and what I think is going to happen going forward. Then 70% gain on my final take profit on my SPY put options today. All right. I'm going to share with you guys some useful information on how to make money in a down market. We have an entire course, okay, in the TeachD curriculum that teaches you how to make money when markets are going down. Instead of just staring at your 401k and your IRA balances go down, wouldn't it be nice to be able to actually profit from downward action? That is what my TeachD fam and I did here today. That's what my TeachD fam are educated enough to be able to recognize these days and actually profit from them while the rest of the world is panicking because they feel like the stock market is crashing. We love the volatility. Okay, so let's not waste another minute. I got a lot I want to cover with you guys here today. Let's get things started. Start typing your questions in chat right now. Go ahead, guys, type your questions in chat, and let's go ahead and start that Q&A. All right, guys, fire away. Don't be shy. Do you think the market was oversold today? Do you expect a buy the dip bounce in the markets tomorrow? I don't think the markets are oversold. I actually think there's a little bit more room to the downside. The markets have showed its hand. The markets do not believe the Fed. And if the markets don't believe the Fed, I think there's more room to the downside in tech, which will pull the rest of the markets down with it. Not to say I think it happens tomorrow. It could. We could go further tomorrow. We could have a little bit of a bounce back day tomorrow. But I think the inflationary fear, I do think there's more downside before we eventually find our footing and kind of settle in. I think we're in for a pretty volatile ride for the next month or so. Yes, George. Guys, everybody give a big, warm TTG welcome to my boy, George. George just joined the TTG family. George, welcome. What do you think so far, George? What do you think so far about being a TTG member? How do you like it, man? How do you like being a part of the fam? I'm in the process of getting educated. Hell yeah, man. Take your time. George, take your time. Make sure you go through all those courses, man. Take your time. Is it a good time to buy Tesla? Tom, I think Tesla's got more room to the downside. It just depends on what your time horizon. Listen, if your time horizon is 10 years, yeah, it's a good time to buy Tesla. If you're going to buy Tesla now because you think it's going to go up next week, I don't think it's a good time. I do think there's more downside in some of these growth names I don't think the inflationary worries are over. And that should eat into your high growth names a little bit more. I own Tesla at like 550, 555, 556, something like that, is where I own Tesla from. I have absolutely no intentions on selling it. I'm not going to sell Tesla until I'm probably 60 years old. So it just depends on your time horizon. I think if you guys want to own Tesla and you don't, you can start scaling in on these pullbacks. I think, where's it now? 580? Where'd it go today? Let me check. Yeah, 582. But you have support around 550. If you want to start scaling in, I think you can start scaling in here on Tesla. I will tell you this. If Tesla was to ever get back below 500, I'm buying a ton of it. I'll tell you guys that now. I already own a chunk from like 550 something. I think it's like 556 or 558. It's something like that. But if this gets below 500 and it gets like 450, I'm going to buy a chunk. I'm buying a big chunk of it. New here as well. Mike just joined after hearing Adam's life story. He sold me. Nice, man. Welcome to the family. Guys, everybody give a big warm welcome to the Tampa Bay Buckeye. Give a big warm welcome to the Tampa Bay Buckeye. Just joined the TGD fam. Being a first-time investor is now a good time. Hell yes. Hell yes. Now is literally the greatest time. It's the greatest time. There's so much volatility. And I think it's a good time right now too, because honestly, a lot of the stocks that I think are going to do really well in the future, and when I'm talking future, I'm not talking like 6 months. I'm talking like 10 years. A lot of those stocks got on everybody's radar last year. They went absolutely bonkers for no reason because the companies are just so small. They're still development stage or they're not yet profitable. And then people realize, oh my God, these companies actually don't make any money yet. And the stocks have all gotten decimated. Some of these stocks that are in like electric vehicles and are in like green energy, those sectors have gotten so destroyed. They're down. Some of these stocks are down 70, 80% from their highs, 50, 60% from their highs. And everybody hates them right now. And that's a wonderful thing. That's a wonderful thing. If you're looking to be a long-term investor, long-term investors, I mean, I want to be in clean energy, green energy. I want to be in electric vehicles because I do think that's the future. But the problem is that's the future. It's not, hey, next year. It's not, hey, this year. And the markets right now with the inflationary fears and the rising interest rates, investors are not willing to pay a premium for earnings that they may or may not get 5 to 10 years from now. When inflation is a concern and rising interest rates, that puts pressure on what's considered a long-term asset. Okay, growth names are considered long-term assets because you're paying a premium today for growth and earnings that'll happen down the road. You're not paying for strong cash flow and strong profitability today. Okay, growth companies take their earnings, they reinvest it back in the company, and a lot of them operate at a loss for the first few years of their business while they grow, and then you make the money later on down the road. In an inflationary environment, those stocks will tend to do poorly. That's why, like Cathie Wood, the ARK ETFs have gotten destroyed. Okay, Cathie Wood stocks have all gotten destroyed. Now, does that mean Cathie Wood is stupid? Does that mean Cathie Wood is her Wall Street career is over? Of course not. It just means that right now is not a good time for those type of stocks, which provides first-time investors with amazing opportunities to be able to say, okay, everybody hates these stocks. They're no longer running wild. I can take my time, I can do my due diligence, and I can decide which one of these companies do I think in the next 5 to 10 years can really grow itself into a major industry leader. And then you can start to actually buy and start to nibble away and little by little start to buy pieces of these companies that 5 to 10 years from now, you guys are going to be look back and you're going to be really damn happy you did, because you're going to be looking at 500 to 1,000% gains on some of these stocks. So right now is an amazing time for you to be an investor. Not to mention, guys, 3 days ago, the market was at all-time highs. 3 days ago, all-time highs. It's an amazing time to be an investor. Amazing time to get educated. You guys got to know how to take advantage of this stuff. You have to know how to take advantage of this stuff. New here and thinking about buying the into the family. There is nothing like fam. Hopefully get the guidance I need to be successful. Joe, not hopefully, brother. Absolutely, undoubtedly, without any question, 100%, you will get the guidance, the mentorship, the camaraderie that you need. My THD fam, is a testament to that. Stop considering it. Okay. This is it, Joe. Don't consider it. This is it. We give our family members 110% of our time, energy, and effort to do every single thing in our power to help ensure their success. All right. Guys, real quick, before I go any further, I just want to know real quick right now, type the letter I in chat if this is your very first live stream with True Trading Group or you're not a member of TTG. Real quick, before I go any further, type the letter I if this is your first live stream or you're not a member of True Trading Group. Just type the letter I. All right, we got Nahid Mir. We got my boy Cody Lee. What's up, Cody? We got Chris, Daryl Raider. We got K. Co. We got Volbona. Tigridi, Francesca Lee, Prod John LBC, Nakia Jones, Smalls. We got Jazzy Grual. We got Anthony Houston. We got E520, Mike Gajkowski. We got Sue Adams, Jack Thrasher, Thomas Colton. We got 69 ENOD. We got V the T Queen. We got Raj, Norma, Tim Rotz, Anthony Booker. We got Felipe Rodriguez, PLB Fashion, Reggie Lake, Farzaneh. We got FM. Alphonse is back. Harvey. Oh, Joe Crazon. What's up, man? Eddie, Bunty, Bobby Morrison, Dee Maurice. We got Wesley Graham, John Hoderschelt. We got Chris Gordon. Beautiful guys. Janet, Mario, CLDAS Company, Byron. Guys, I love it. A lot of new faces here today. A lot of new faces, a lot of new members, lots of new names, lots of new viewers. Guys, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications. I'm telling you, you never want to miss this stuff. I told you guys yesterday what I thought the market was going to do today. I told you my entire game plan was. You guys want to make sure you subscribe to the channel. For those of you that are brand new, okay, for those of you guys that are brand new, you're about to get a crash course of what it means to trade for real. All right, TTG's no BS, guys, no fluff. Okay, I shoot you guys straight. I don't blow smoke up your ass. We're fully transparent here in TTG. Nothing but hardcore, true professional education, no gimmicks. Stick around for a while. You're going to learn something. I guarantee it. Trade Day J. If you're in TTG, your success is my success. I would help any way that I can, and maybe one day your trade ideas will add to my P&L. Jay, very well said. Very well said, Jay. Guys, Jay is a TTG member who actually just bought an entirely new trade setup with his profits. It's a sick setup, Jay, by the way. I saw it on Twitter when you shared it on Twitter. It's a sick trade setup. But that's the truth. That's what being part of a trading group is all about. That's the point. The point about being part of a group is that you make each other better. The point about being in a trading group is not to stroke the ego of the head trader or the moderator. The point of trading in a group is that, okay, guys, there's thousands of stocks out there. I have 2 eyeballs. I can't look at thousands of stocks at the same time. But if you have thousands of traders that all have the same education that I received when I worked at the fund in New York, that knows how to identify high probability patterns and setups, that can bring setups to my attention, even though I may not be looking at something, that's the point of trading in a group. We make each other better. It's not just me and my moderators making our members better. Our members are making members better. Our members are making the moderators better. That's the point of being in a group. That's what True Trading Group is all about. There's plenty of times that I've made money on a trade setup that a member brought to my attention that I otherwise was not looking at. There's plenty of times that members are making money off of other members' trade ideas because they're commenting, they're typing in chat, and it may not be something that me or the other moderators are looking at. Perfect example. Look at Jessica yesterday. Okay, Jessica, one of our TTG members, we actually had her on my live stream last night, hit a home run trade in Roblox yesterday, was talking about it in chat, was talking to members. Other members followed her in on that trade, and it was a home run trade for her and a bunch of our members, even though none of the mods called it. None of the mods traded Roblox yesterday. That's what being part of a group is all about. I did a put on Lemonade that I don't think anyone else did. Killed it. Family's the real deal. Didn't have time to put it in chat with SPY puts going nuts. Yeah. Guy, nice job, man. Nice job. With the weakness today in the overall markets, you could have dropped puts on a lot of different tech names. You know, you could have got puts in a lot of different tech names using off the same idea. Nice, Randy. Randy K. Jessica made me money today. Yeah, Jessica was back in there on Roblox today. Back in there on Roblox today. Go ahead, guys. Ask me questions. Don't be shy. Now's your chance. Now is your chance to ask me questions. Don't be shy. Mike, I'm trying to work on the pre-market trading you mentioned because of my time zone. Is there a way to do market orders, or am I limited to limit orders? You can use limit orders still, Michael, but you can use limit orders that would be above your price. So you'll get the fill automatically. It'll almost act as a market order. So let's say if you have a stock that's $4.50 by $4.55, if you limit order $4.70, you're just going to buy $4.55. It's going to be the same as if it was a market order. Same thing to the downside. So if you set a limit sell for $4.30 and then stocks at $4.40, it'll basically market order sell at $4.40. Are you bearish on Peloton? Well, I mean, holistic. I was short Peloton since April 23rd. I shorted Peloton at $101. We covered it at $81, $82. I don't want to own Peloton right now. I don't want to own Peloton right now. It's a tech company. Tech is weak. The reopening trade is in full force. I don't know how many people are going to be buying a Peloton when gyms are reopening. It's nice out and people might want to go outside and ride a bike. You also have the issues with their treadmill. So that's a product that you've just taken off the market for them with the recall and all their treadmills. I think you're going to see really slow treadmill sales. Just not a company that I want to own right now. I do think that like home fitness, I do think there is a place for it. I'm just not sure that Peloton is going to be able to duplicate the growth that they experienced in 2020. None of these companies are. Peloton, Zoom, Teladoc, all these companies that benefited in 2020 from the stay-at-home economy, they're not going to be able to duplicate that growth when the economies are reopened. They're not. All their growth was pulled forward because of COVID. So I think you're going to see some pretty disappointing numbers, but I do think that Peloton has a great product. I have a Peloton, and I do think there's a future for it. I just think that it's just a risky, place to be buying right now. The education we are getting from TTG, it's the most worthy. TTG is the best investment. Hell yeah, Makis. That's what it is. You guys have to realize, like, when you join True Trading Group, you're not just joining a chat room and buying courses. That's not just what TTG is. TTG is a platform. And I want you guys to think about, when you decide to join True Trading Group, you are making a decision to invest in yourself. You're making a decision to say, I want to learn how to do this. I want to learn about the markets. I want to learn how to day trade. I want to learn how to swing trade. I want to learn how to trade options. I want to learn how to take advantage of market opportunities to invest and build a long-term portfolio. That is the decision that you are making when you join True Trading Group, to get a real education and have access to a platform that's going to provide you with the tools and the resources that you need in order to become a successful trader. Okay, that's how you guys have to think about joining True Trading Group. It's not, ooh, I'm going to pay so I can get Mike's trade alerts. That's not just what it is. I mean, yeah, I give you all my trades in advance. I tell you guys on the microphone, I'm like, hey guys, like today, SPY puts. I bought the 411 strike, May 17th expiration put options. I came on the microphone and I said, hey guys, I'm going to be buying the 411 strike, May 17th expiration put options on the SPY. Okay, I think we break this level. I think we go lower. I said it on the microphone before I actually did it. We do that every single day in chat. Why would I trust TTG if I could have trading guide book? I don't even know what a trading guide book is. I don't even know what a trading guidebook is. So I'm not sure what that means. I've never heard of a trading guidebook. Why should you trust True Trading Group? Because our members, our members say so. You shouldn't trust True Trading Group. You shouldn't trust anybody. You shouldn't trust anybody. You should trust our members. You don't know who I am. You don't know who I am. I'm just some person that you just found on a live stream, right? I don't know. I'm sure you've seen a lot of other people on YouTube before that claim to know what they're doing, and are just trying to sell you a dream. Don't listen to me. Listen to our members. Listen to our members. That would be my best advice to you. Is to go through and first of all, I would check out our Trustpilot. Check out our Trustpilot. We're 5-star rated on Trustpilot. Over 1,100 people have left us reviews. But if you really want to know if you should trust True Trading Group, I'll do you this. Here is how I think you should decide, Daniel, if you should trust True Trading Group. My TTG members, if you are a member of True Trading Group and you are making money with TTG, I want you all to sound off in chat right now. If you are making money with True Trading Group, sound off in chat. Tell me what that looks like. How much are you guys making? If you don't mind sharing. Okay, Daniel and anybody else that's on this live stream that's like, man, this guy Mike, he sounds pretty cool, but how do I know I can trust them? If you are one of those people, I want you to pay attention to the comments that you're about to see come through chat right now. Let's bottom line this, guys. Okay, let's just get to the bottom of this right now. Okay, anybody that's on this live stream that's like, how do I know? How can I trust TTG? Just read comments. That's it. Just read comments. Don't even listen to me. Just read comments. Creative made 1,300 today. My boy, let me see. Chris killing it. Made 45% on a trade this week because of TTG. 6 for 7 today. My boy Guy. IHT made 5K. I'm averaging $600 a week with TTG. $2,700 on put options today on the Qs. TTG is the best. I covered my membership in 3 days. I made $300 on a really small account while I was at work. Gregory Kelly has made over $25,000 so far this year while working a full-time job. Amy is 3 green days in a row. Lori was 5 for 5 today. Roger, 2 for 2 today. Matty Ice made 103% on some A and D puts today. In my 2 weeks as a TTG member, I've made back my membership 3 times over. We had Matt was flat today, but 5 winning days in a row. Shiny is up $40,000 since joining June of last year. Tanya says TTG has helped me to make money. You have it, folks. All right. Ann Faye is down 1,200. Ann Faye, listen, don't worry about it, man. We're here to help you. Not everybody's crushing it with TTG. Let me be honest with you guys about that too. You know, about 82% of our members are profitable. Okay, which still means you've got about 18% of our members are still struggling. Okay, like I said, I'm not gonna give you guys bullshit. I'm not gonna give you fluff. I'm not gonna blow smoke up your ass. I'm gonna tell you guys how it is and be fully honest and transparent with you guys from the get. Okay, so Ann Faye, if you're down $1,200, I would tell you to go down to paper trading, stop trading with real money for now, go through all the courses, attend a private study group with us, that red to green sessions that we talk about. Okay, if you've got a one-on-one with your membership, make sure you schedule that with Elena. We're here to help you. We leave no trader behind in True Trading Group, guys. We leave no trader behind. Working in a restaurant and making money, killed it today on SPY puts. Thank you, Mike. Yo, my boy. My boy, we just had a one-on-one today. Sharon. We just had a one-on-one today. I really enjoyed our call. Guys, and for those of you that are losing money, still trading on your own, it's called an investment, okay? Don't dig the hole deeper before you guys join. Okay, a big mistake that a lot of traders make is they're like, oh, let me see if I can do this on my own. They lose a bunch of money, and then they join True Trading Group, okay? I am trying to make membership by following live stream. I mean, listen, Godspeed, good luck, but that's not the way to do it. You don't make money and then learn. There's a reason why our slogan is learn, trade, profit, not trade, profit, learn. Okay. My advice to you is to join True Trading Group, make the investment yourself. You would probably put $1,300 into some random stock tomorrow that you have no idea even why, just because you read about it on Reddit or Twitter. You'd have no problem putting $1,300 into some random stock, right? You wouldn't even think twice about it. Don't. Get a year membership to True Trading Group. Get a real education. Stop making mistakes. I can't even say it enough. So many people, they just do it on their own. They don't get any education whatsoever. To think the arrogance that people have, to think you're going to step into somebody else's professional arena and just succeed without any training, any education, no experience. What makes you so special? I would never walk into someone else's profession and think I was going to do better than them without any training whatsoever. Why do you think you can do that? When you guys open up an account and you start trading in the markets, you start buying stocks and options, you do realize there's somebody else on the other side of that trade, right? You realize that the person on the other side of that trade, it could be me. It could be the trader at Goldman Sachs. It could be the multi-million-dollar pro trader. It could be the trader that works at the $5 billion hedge fund. It could be a market maker with 30 years of experience. It could be one of my TGD members. What makes you think you're going to beat that person? It's crazy to me why people think this. You would never just show up at a hospital and be like, I'm ready to be a doctor. Oh, okay. And just think that you're going to try it out and see what happens. You would never show up to a courtroom and say, you're on trial for murder. I'm here to defend you. And think you're going to win that case. You would never step into a boxing ring and say, you're the heavyweight champ. I'm here to fight you. You're going to get your ass kicked. What makes you think you can go, oh, this thing called the stock market? Robinhood account. I'm ready. Let's go. Of course you're going to lose. This is why so many traders lose money. Because they have absolutely zero idea what they're doing. But they think it's a get-rich-quick scheme. They think, oh, my buddy at work told me to buy this stock. Oh, these people on Reddit are talking about this stock. Don't dig yourself a hole. Before you start trading with real money, learn. Learn. Then start trading with real money. All right, what do we got? Who's next? I think I'll take one more question, guys, and then we're going to get to it. All right, guys, one more question, then we'll move on. The thing I'm getting most out of TTG is they train you to think like a trader. Yep. So, guys, my favorite course that I put together for the curriculum, and this is also the most common answer. Like when we ask our members, what's your favorite course in True Trading Group? The most common answer is trader psychology. Here, watch. All my TGD members, if you guys are a member of True Trading Group, you've gone through the courses, comment in chat right now, what is your favorite course? Comment in chat right now, what's your favorite course if you are a TGD member? So anyone that's not a member, you guys pay attention to this. So trader psychology is the biggest part about being a trader. Becoming a successful trader, the difference between the great traders and the struggling traders, it's not a greater understanding of a bull flag. It's not a greater understanding of VWAP or a newfound understanding for Fibonacci levels or MACD indicators. That's not what gets you to become a great trader. That's what can get you to be profitable, to get you to stop losing money. But if you want to be really good, it's up here. 80% of trading, maybe even more than 80% of trading is here. It's controlling your emotions. It's discipline. It's patience. It's, not falling victim to greed and fear, sticking to your game plan, being robotic, being in the right mindset. It really takes a certain mindset to be a good trader. A lot of people don't understand this. When I got hired at the fund, the interview process was very, very theoretical and psychological. They asked me a lot of brain teaser questions. Okay. It wasn't just about my resume and, what was your GPA? They wanted to know how I thought. How does my brain work? And that's why they asked me a lot of these brain teaser questions. One of them was, Adam, do you remember? I know you found it before. Do you remember what it was? You found the name of it. It's like something where there's like three guys. I don't know what that means. There's three guys. They all put different hats. They have different color hats. They go into a dark closet. They come back out, and you had to tell like which hat the person had on based on the people in front of them. I forgot that it's actually called something. You can actually Google it. And a while ago, we were actually Adam found it online before when I talked about this a while ago. I forgot the name of it, but like those are the type of questions that they asked me during the interview. And I'm sitting there and I'm thinking to myself, I'm like, okay, I'm thinking like, oh my God, like the pressure's on. Like I've got to answer this question. Okay, I've got to figure that like I got to make sure I get this right. Okay. I have to make sure that I get this right. And I'm sitting there and I'm starting to think, and the guy stops me in the middle of my interview and he goes, no. Think out loud. I go, oh, okay. He said, the way that you try to come up with the answer is more important than the answer itself. And that really set the tone for me understanding as I went through my career that trading is mental. And that's why the trader psychology goes. You guys saw all the teaching members that were commenting in chat. They all said trader psychology. A couple of people said options. A couple of people said the advanced courses, the technical indicators and stuff. But the overwhelming majority of members just commented trader psychology. That's the difference maker. Okay, a lot of the education that I go through with my members and a lot of the mentorship that I do with them is getting them to think the right way, helping them control their emotions, helping them to be robotic, okay, helping them to control their greed and control their fear. That's the biggest part, I think, about, mentoring a trader is getting their mind right. And anyone that has traded knows exactly what I'm talking about. Anyone that's never traded before, you may not realize it yet, but trust me, you will. That's why 80% of trading is mental. All right. That's why 80% of trading is mental. All right. That's what TTG is all about. Okay. Guys, so for those of you that are brand new here, what are your goals and expectations with trading? Comment sound off in chat right now. What are your goals and expectations with trading? Just comment sound off in chat real quick. Financial independence. To get rich quick, you're in the wrong place. You're never going to succeed as a trader. OMQ right now to learn, build wealth, retire early, build my portfolio, extra income, freedom. I want to be a TG mod one day, freedom, learn as much as possible. To move out of my mom's basement. It's a good one. Freedom, learning to earn my income. I want to retire, career replacement, financial security. Sean, you kill me, Sean. And Sean, every time that I read your answer, it's like every time I see your comment with the Patek, I have it on. I don't know if you do it on purpose. I don't know if you only comment when you see that I have it on. I want to learn the triggers. Want to be able to trade independently without having to shadow someone. Want to be a full-time trader. Trying to build a legacy for my family. Amen to that, Tanya. Amen to that. Awesome. Awesome, guys. Beautiful. I like it. Guys, listen, it's really important for you to have, goals that are going to drive you to become successful at this. Because trading is not a get rich quick scheme. It's not gonna happen overnight. We talked about this last night with like the why. Like, why do you guys do this? Like, why are you trying to learn how to trade? We talked about this last night. And you've got to be willing to put in some time, energy, and effort to learn this. And that's why it's important for you to have a goal that's going to motivate you to do so. We developed True Trading Group because it's something that it shouldn't be this hard for people to have access to this type of an education, to learn this skill, to help you achieve these goals. We launched True Trading Group in the end of 2016 in a beta version. We went live early 2017. We've been building it ever since. Guys, we work 12 to 15 hours a day on the TC platform for our members. Okay, a couple of people that are asking about the membership that I see on chat right here. Guys, our annual membership to True Trading Group, it's normally $2,212 for the year. But from tonight until midnight, you guys can actually get that price brought all the way down to just $1,322 when you use the coupon code TTG121. Hold on one second. All right, guys. So use coupon code TTG121. You guys can get a 40% discount, brings the price all the way down to just $1,322. All right. We've got 20. Hold on a second, guys. Let's see what we've got for people. Hold on, guys, because seeing if we had any. Trying to see what we've got here, guys. I'm talking to Adam right now to see what we have available for you, for people that sign up. So last night we gave away 20 laptops for people last night, and I was about to offer you guys Kindles, but Adam is saying that we might have 15 laptops still. Okay, so that's on. Okay, so all right, we do. All right, we've got it. All right, so guys, we've got 15 laptops available here tonight. So the next 15 people that sign. Oh wow, yeah, there they are. There they are.
Right there, dude.
There it is. All right, guys, there you have it.
That's it. That is all that is left.
All right, so that's all we got left. How many are there?
One.
Are there a couple more in the other room, or?
There's a couple in Joe's office too, but that's it. And then the rest are allocated for TTG members only.
Wow. Okay. All right, so guys, so there you have it. All right, so we got 15 laptops left that we can do. So the next 15 people that sign up with coupon code TTG121, you'll get the 40% discount. You're also going to get a free laptop. Okay, that's going to be either a brand new Asus, HP, Lenovo, Dell, or Chromebook. These are not going to last. They'll probably be gone, honestly, by the time I'm done with this live stream. We also do cover shipping, and we do ship globally. Okay, so, but again, you got to use coupon code TTG121 to get the discount and then to claim the laptop as well. All right. Included with that membership, guys, you also get access to the 15-course curriculum, the entire curriculum. There's no VIP or pro courses that cost more money. You guys get access to the full curriculum when you join True Trading. There's no upsells or anything like that. You pay one price, get access to everything we have. This is a simplified version of the stuff I learned while working at the firm in New York. You're also going to get access to Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed, which is directly inside of our chat room, gives you real-time news alerts. You're going to get Quote Media's real-time level 1, real-time full book level 2, real-time options data. You get access to ETNA's trade simulator, lets you trade stocks and options with fake money while you practice implementing what you've learned in the courses. You get access to TradingView's Pro charting software, one of the most commonly used charting softwares by active traders. You get access to our Trade Ideas scanner that's streamed to members throughout the day that helps you identify what are the best stocks for you to trade. You get access to our chat room where we share our screen. All the moderators, we're on the microphone calling out our trades in real time in advance. Like you guys hear me talking to you now. We talk to our members all day long in chat. We're also there for the entire day. We're not just trading for 2 hours and we disappear and you're left to fend for yourself. Me and the moderators are in chat all day, calling out trades, identifying opportunities, and answering questions. Okay. We don't charge you more for access to us or to ask us questions. It is all included with your membership. We do live workshops. We do one-on-one mentor sessions, private study groups. Guys, we go above and beyond for our TTG fam. You know, we do a bunch of these fun giveaways. Every time we get 300 new members, we give away a Tesla or $30,000 cash to one lucky TTG member. All you got to do is be a member of TTG. That's it. And you guys can register for that giveaway. I think we're like 70 or 72% of the way there. I think yesterday we were 78. Oh my God. All right. So we're 78% of the way there. We were 70% of the way there yesterday, or 68, 69. We are 78% of the way there, guys, to our next Tesla giveaway. So all you guys have to do is be a member of True Trading Group and you guys can qualify for that giveaway. No one's taken the car. Every time we've done this, the winner decides to take the cash. Every time. Okay, every time. It's crazy. All right, so again, the next 15 people that use the coupon code TTG121, you will get the 40% discount and you're going to get a brand new laptop totally free, and you'll have a chance to win a Tesla or 30 grand when we do that Tesla giveaway, which is at this rate will probably be May 23rd, Sunday. You've got to enter the coupon code, though, TTG121. If you go to the checkout page, it's going to say $2,000. Don't do that. Enter the coupon code, click apply code to reflect your $1,322 price point. All right. All right. So you guys might be wondering, like, why the hell do we do that? Like, why do we give away all of these things? Why are all these things included? Why is there just one price and you get access to everything? Like, why do you not charge more for this? And the answer to that question is as follows. Guys, listen very closely. Anyone that's on this live stream right now, I want you to type the letter I in chat if you've been a part of another group and you were promised the world only to feel like you were just another $1,000 upsell away from being successful and reaching your goals. That every time you're like, oh man, I'm not doing well, here's an upsell, buy this and you'll do better. If that's happened to you, I want you to type the letter I in chat right now. Look at all these letter I's. This is crazy. Look at how many letter I's are coming through chat right now. That's terrible. This is why we do what we do. This is why our platform is structured the way that it is. This is why we offer as much as we do. This is why we provide as much value as we do, because it shouldn't be this hard. It shouldn't be this way. This shouldn't be the process people have to go through to try to learn how to do this. That's why we do it. We want to disrupt this entire industry. We want to disrupt this entire industry, guys. Nice. Joseph. Oh, yo, my man, Joe. Joe, I remember you just asked the question earlier, my man. Guys, give a big warm welcome to Joe Crazon. Just joined the group. Joe, welcome, bro. Welcome, my man. I remember we grabbed one of your questions earlier on the live stream. Welcome to the family, brother. I look forward to trading with you, Joe. Welcome, my man. Everybody give a big warm welcome to Joe. Guys, listen, if you guys are interested in joining True Trading Group, I can't stress to you enough the importance of you using the coupon code TTG121 right now, because in life, you got to know your worth in life. And honestly, we know ours. And at $1,300, the value is so insane for what you get. We're moving our price up to $2,500. We're not doing it overnight. Every single day, we're raising our price by a couple of bucks. We will be up over $2,000 before you guys know it. That's still cheaper than all of our competition. We give you 10 times the value. Okay. Like all the things I told you get, the news feed, the simulator, the level 2, the options data, the scanner, the screener, analyst ratings and stock profiles and, mentorships and study groups and workshops and video library and the courses. Guys, you get all of that for literally just $1,322. So we are moving that price higher. By midnight tonight, the price is going up. You're not going to be able to get $1,322 after midnight tonight. So you use coupon code TGD121 now. Lock in that price point because we're going to be over $2,000 before you guys know it. And also, if you lock in $1,322 tonight, when your membership renews next year for $2,500 will be our membership. You're not going to pay $2,500 next year to renew. You'll only pay $1,322, which is the price you paid today. Okay, so you might save 40% today. You're saving 50% next year. All right, so you guys want to make sure you lock in that price point now. Use coupon code TTG121, click apply code, and then get yourself that free laptop as well. All right, guys, now let's move on over. I want to get into the next stage of our live stream here, and this is going to be the stock market recap. What the hell happened today? I've got a presentation for you guys. We're going to talk about what happened in the markets, why the sell-off, why the crash. And to do this, I want you guys we have a link in the description below that is a downloadable PDF presentation of what I've got for you guys. You guys can click on that link in the description below to download this, and you guys can keep it for your own records. All right, so I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to share my screen. Again, guys, feel free to download this. Feel free to download this for your own records. All right, let's talk about what happened today. Markets dropped again. 3 days. 3 days in a row. Markets are kind of falling out of bed here, guys. Everything traded lower today. Inflation was front and center today. Fuel prices under pressure. Fuel, gas prices skyrocketing with that pipeline issue. That pipeline should be back online though, actually now. So that should kind of settle down. Okay, this should settle down. More hacks were claimed by the dark side, all related to infrastructure and energy companies internationally. Guys, this down move, this is why it's really important for you guys, honestly, to be members of True Trading Group so that you can navigate this type of an environment. Remember this saying, bulls take the stairs, bears take the window. That's my saying, okay? Because when markets go up, they go up slowly and steadily. When markets go down, they go down fast and viciously and scary. You've got to be able to know and understand how to pivot in that environment. You've got to be able to recognize when sentiment has shifted. You've got to be able when to recognize this is not a buy the dip scenario. This is a get short. This is a buy put options. This is a get long the VIX or UVXY calls or some of the inverse ETFs. Some of you may not even know what the hell I'm talking about, and that's okay. You'll learn. But there's a lot of different ways for you to make money in a down market. We have an entire course in the curriculum that is titled How to Make Money in a Down Market. Okay? So this is an environment that I'm very familiar with. I traded through the 2008 market crash. That's when I received the Trader of the Year award. The COVID crash in March of last year, we destroyed the COVID crash. Okay? All my teaching members that were trading with me during that time, you guys know it was a huge month. Huge month. Okay? And now here we are again. Markets are going down. And what happened today? What happened today? A 70% gain just today on SPY put options. It's important for you to understand the options that you have to make money when markets are going down. You do not have to just sit there like a deer in headlights and watch the balance of your 401k dwindle. You can be making money on the way down. That's what we're going to talk about here today. All right. Top stories of the day. I told you guys yesterday that this CPI data was going to be huge. I told you yesterday the CPI data was going to be an indication of inflation. And what happened? Whoa. The consumer price index rise from April from a year earlier was the sharpest it's been since 2008. Tundra and F Right 88. Guys, give a big warm TGD welcome to Tundra and F Right 88. Just joined the TGD family. Welcome. Welcome to the family, guys. Welcome to the family. Guys, listen, for those people that just joined, so Joe, Tundra, and F Right, to claim your free laptop, after you sign up, at the bottom right of our website is a blue support chat icon. Click that. You'll be able to enter your information and we can ship you your free laptop. Guys, you know what else that means? That means there's only 12 laptops left. All right, so there's 12 laptops left. The next 12 people to use coupon code TTG121 will get a free laptop. All right. So guys, this inflation number was absolutely horrid. It was expected to be a 3.6% increase. The actual number came in at 4.2. This is the largest increase in 13 years. 13 years. Okay. The month-to-month gain was 0.8% versus the expected 0.2. Think about that. The expectation was 0.2. The number came in 0.8. That is so much higher than what was expected. This is why the markets do not believe the Fed. Now, the Fed is still sitting there saying, guys, this is temporary. It's not going to run hot. Inflation will settle out. It's transitory. It's not an issue. Well, the markets are not waiting around to find out. The markets are selling in case they're wrong. And if they're right, markets will buy it right back. But the markets are not waiting to see if they're right. The markets don't believe them because the economic data that's coming out is saying otherwise. The markets don't believe them right now. Fed Reserve officials still say this is temporary, not looking to influence policy. Fed said that, hey, we knew this was coming. This is sticker shock. Meaning, hey, we told you guys this was going to happen, but once you actually saw it, everybody panicked. That's the Fed. All right, Happy Coin Girl. Guys, everybody give a big warm welcome to Happy Coin Girl. That means there's 11 laptops left. Happy Coin Girl, welcome to the TTG family. 11 laptops left. Use coupon code TTG121. All right, guys. Now, the other big thing here was Treasury yields. Guys, the 10-year jumped 4%. That's the biggest jump since late March. That's the biggest jump since late March. All right. Now, again, rising interest rates, inflation, bad for tech. Okay. You're seeing more rotation out of tech and into value, energy, financials, healthcare. Okay. Doing well. Tech, poop in the bed. All right. Poop in the bed. Then you've got the Pfizer vaccines now available to 12-year-olds. All right. No one cares about that in the markets. Your big focus today, inflation, inflation, inflation. Nobody cares about the vaccine. Nobody cares about earnings. Nobody cares about what's happening in India. The only thing the market cares about right now is inflation. Okay? If you've been following my live stream for the last couple days, you guys know about this. We've talked about this. I told you the market has, literally on my last slide, I go, the market just showed its hand. Investors showed their hand. Investors are telling you, we don't believe the Fed. And that's evident in the last 3 days that you've seen in the market. Nothing's changed. The Fed has not moved. The Fed has not come out and said, we're tapering our bond buying program. The Fed has not come out and said, we're going to have to raise rates. We're worried about inflation. The Fed hasn't moved. So what else could it be? It's the economic data telling you inflation's hot. Inflation is hot. We have major supply issues. Guys, there's some nasty stuff going on right now. Okay. Can we expect the Fed comment to try to cool this inflation fear-based drop-off? No. They've been saying it every day this week. They said it Friday. They said it yesterday. They said it today. Markets don't care. The Fed has been saying the exact same thing for weeks. Transitory. It's going to be temporary. We're not concerned. Inflation's under control. It's not going to run hot. We're not raising rates. They've said the exact same thing for weeks. They still say the exact same thing. Markets don't care. Markets don't believe them. Doesn't matter what they say anymore. The markets are looking at the economic data that's coming out and saying, I'm gonna be on the safe side here. Markets don't believe them. Okay, markets don't believe them. Now, as we move ourselves on, keeping an eye on the economic data. All week, the market helped put a strong focus on economic data instead of earnings. I told you guys that. Okay, inflationary fears. There's a lot of bad things happening right now. You got supply chain disruptions. I don't know if anybody realizes this or not. Probably not, depending. I mean, unless you're in the shipping industry. Guys, there's no shipping containers. There's a major problem with shipping containers. You've got the gas shortage. You have semiconductor chip shortage. You have a shipping container shortage. You got commodity prices all moving higher. MDJ. Welcome, MDJ, guys. We got another new member here. Welcome, MDJ, to the TTG fam, guys. Welcome, MDJ, to the TTG fam. So what does that mean now? What do we got? What do we got, 10? 10 left? Yeah, 10. All right, we got 10 laptops left, guys. That's it. Just 10 left. Then we got 10 left. All right. So, guys, all of these things that are happening right now, this is all adding to inflation. Here's the reason why I think inflation is going to be a lot hotter than the Fed thinks. Europe is still in a bit of a recession. Europe is not open like we are. Europe's demand is not what ours is. If we're running hot on inflation already, what's going to happen when Europe opens back up fully and Europe gets out of their recession fully and you start to see the demand that we have now? You see that demand on a global scale. That's why I think the Fed is wrong. Because if we're already running hot and you have a slow Europe, when Europe picks up, so we will see how this all unfolds. But guys, I'm not trying to scare you. This is a good thing. Volatility is a good thing. Okay? You can make money when markets go down. We'll show you guys how. There's put options. There's shorting. There's inverse ETFs. There's the VIX. There's things you can buy that go up in value as the markets go down. Jay Grimes, welcome to the TTG fam. Jay Grimes, welcome to the TTG fam. I guess that's 9 left. 9 laptops left, folks. Give a big warm welcome to Jay Grimes. All right. So, guys, what else do we have coming out here? Initial jobless claims and continuing jobless claims and producer price index. These are going to be big numbers tomorrow. Now listen to me. If the jobs number comes in worse than expected, that could ease the markets and give you a little bit of a bounce. Let me tell you why. If unemployment, if the labor market has bad numbers, it might ease a little of the inflationary fear. Because as long as we've got high unemployment, it's tough for inflation to really run hot if you have high unemployment. Okay? So if you get some bad jobless claims, that could ease a little bit of the fear. You could be able to see a little bit of a dead cat bounce tomorrow. Also, the producer price index. If that number is not as high as the CPI number that came out today, that could also ease fears. But if initial jobless claims numbers come in strong and the producer price index is way above expectations like CPI, we go lower again tomorrow. Because that's just only going to reiterate and fuel the inflationary fear. The market's moving for the first time in a while. The market's moving based on economic data. The markets haven't moved on data in a while. Now they're moving on economic data. You got to know when this information comes out because it's moving markets. Okay? And then we got some earnings still coming out. Alibaba, Billy, Disney, Laser, Canada Goose, Gevo, Coinbase, DoorDash. You guys can pay attention to those. That'll be coming out later this week. Small caps trading poorly while the markets are having their hissy fit over these last 3 days. A lot more traders are focused on the down move in the overall markets and the viciousness of the speed of the down move instead of small caps. Small caps, not a lot of follow through. They've also been weaker. Welcome, Islander. Islander, welcome to the TTG family. Welcome, Islander, to the TTG family. Folks, that is 8. Count them, 8 laptops left. All right. And you got a little bit of a pullback in crypto. Ethereum back below 4,000, Bitcoin below 54, Doge below 45, Litecoin below 340. So you got a full sweep across the board on pullbacks in crypto. Finally, you've had a lot of divergence in crypto. You had pullbacks in some coins, bounce backs and rallies in others. Now you got all of them pulled back together. All of them pulled back together there. Now, guys, there's our disclaimer. I encourage you guys download. It's there for you. Right? It is there for you. All right, I encourage you guys to download this, keep it for your records if you guys want reminders on what economic data is coming out which days, or if you just want some of my notes. All right. Wow, another Mockingbird. Another one. Welcome, Mockingbird. Welcome, Mockingbird. So what is that? Is that 8? 8 left? Yeah, 8 left. All right, guys, we got 8 laptops. I told you these weren't going to last. I told you I had 15. I said they're not going to last by the time the live stream is over. We got 8 of them left. We got 8 of them left. So again, use coupon code TTG121. Get the 40% discount and get a free laptop. Only the next 8 people are going to get that free laptop, guys. All right, so guys, now what I want to do here.
Yeah, this is it. This is totally it right here.
Oh, there it is. That's it. That's all you got.
And then whatever's in Joe's office, and then Kindles, which are still great. So,
yeah, Kindles are badass too, man.
Yeah, and if you don't like it, just go to Warrior Trading and see if they give you any electronics when you sign up. Shug out.
I didn't say nothing. So yeah, guys, 8 laptops left. Coupon code TTG121. All right, coupon code TTG121. All right. Now, what I want to do now, guys, I want to take you guys over. Let's talk about the trade today. Let's recap this it's a home run trade. 70% gain on SPY put options today. And what I would like to do is, before I go over and share my screen with you, welcome Millie too. Millie 2, welcome to the TTG family. That is now 7 laptops left. 7 laptops left. Okay, 7 laptops left. All right. Coupon code TTG121 to get those free laptops, guys. All right, so what I would like to do here now, guys, before I get into the trade recap of on the SPY options, I want to first play a clip for you from yesterday's live stream. On yesterday's live stream, I went over with you the move that we saw in the we had this huge gap down yesterday because of inflationary fears. Then we had this big bounce back in tech. I said on my live stream yesterday that I don't believe this bounce. I talked about it for about 20 minutes. Now, I'm not going to play a 20-minute clip. It's only about a minute and a half or 2 minutes just to give you guys the gist of it. But I thought yesterday was a bull trap. Okay? I thought yesterday was a bull trap. And we were unable to get back above a key resistance level on the NASDAQ. And I said, guys, if we come back in tomorrow and we get an engulfing candle, that I think that's a clear signal that we go lower. So I said, if we came into the day today and we engulf yesterday's bounce, it's a clear indication that we go lower. And it was going to be the #1 game plan for me and then my #1 trade idea on the day. So what I'd like to do now, Adam, do we have that clip? All right. So guys, Adam's going to go ahead right now and we're going to play that. It's like a minute and a half. Just hang out a minute and a half. I want you to watch this clip. This is from the live stream from last night. Adam, go ahead, man. It was a really wacky day. It was a really wacky day because when the bell rang and the market opened, tech was by far the weakest sector in the entire market. And by the time the markets closed, tech was the strongest. Very, very weird action today. Okay, the broader sector and the tech-heavy NASDAQ ended up actually recovering strongly and then into the closing bell. Is this a buy the effing dip opportunity or is it a head fake? Okay, I am not convinced that this is over. I'm not convinced yet that we're just going to rally ourselves back to all-time highs. There's some key levels of resistance that we were unable to get back above today, especially in the Qs, which is the NASDAQ. There's some resistance levels we were unable to get back above today. It's very, very possible that you could see tomorrow an engulfing red candle that could take away the recovery from the gap down you saw today. And if we get a red engulfing candle tomorrow, that's a clear indication to me that we are going lower. A clear indication to me that we are going lower. There you have it, folks. Were you guys all able to hear that? Good. Okay, perfect. Just making sure. Just making sure. Perfect. Okay, guys, so there you go. That was a quick, and I went on. I talked about it for probably the next 15 minutes or so. I talked about it for probably the next 15 minutes. But I just want to give you guys a quick gist of it, and I want to share that with you. That is a clip from last night's live stream. Okay. We got another one. We got Mark. Mark, welcome to the TTG family, brother. Welcome to the TTG family. That is now, what is that, 6 laptops left? Welcome to the TTG family, Mark. Welcome. We got 6 laptops left. All right, so guys, so that's what we talked about yesterday. All right. Now, let's go over to the charts. And I want to break things down in more detail for you right now. All right, so what we're going to do now, I'm going to go ahead, we're going to take things over the charts, and we're going to go ahead, we're going to start those lessons of the day, folks. All right, guys, so here we are. This is the NASDAQ. Here's the Qs. This is where we're going to focus our attention here now today. All right. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of today. Here's today's candle. I'm going to get rid of that. And we're only going to look at yesterday because this is when we made this call. Okay. This is when I made this call yesterday on last night's live stream. Okay. Now, what I want to do is point out the level of resistance that I was referring to last night on the live stream. You will see that what was an area of support acted as an area of resistance yesterday. In my opinion, this was a major level. And when we gapped beneath this level and rallied back, the Qs were unable to break above this level. Now, a major point of yesterday was not being able to get above this level on the Qs, while also the SPY yesterday never even made an attempt to go back green. Never even tried. Okay, here would have been the red to green move. We would have to gotten back to 418. We only got to 415. So I'm saying to myself yesterday, I'm saying, wait a second. If the reason for this sell-off is inflationary fears, why would tech bounce stronger than everything else? When we started the day yesterday, tech was the weakest. It finished the strongest. That made no sense to me whatsoever if the worry was inflationary. And the fact that we were unable to get back above this resistance level set up, in my opinion, a really beautiful shot at a bull trap. A bull trap is a setup that sucks longs in and then pulls the rug right back out underneath them. A lot of people got long yesterday and they hate themselves for it today. This is what we talked about yesterday. We called this yesterday. I told you, if we get an engulfing candle where we take back all of yesterday's bounce, clear indication we go lower. You heard it. I just played the video clip for you. What happened? This morning, CPI number comes out, highest it's been in 13 years, way above expectations, worries of inflation come back. We move lower pre-market when that data came out at 8:30, and we took back the bounce. We took back the bounce. Welcome, Vetly and TDR. Vetly and TDR, welcome to the family. Guys, that's it. We got 4 left. We got 4 laptops left. That's it. Coupon code TTG121. I told you these laptops were not going to last. So here we have it. Okay, we come into the day today, bang, and we take away yesterday's bounce. The engulfing candle that I told you to watch for last night on the live stream. I told you to watch for it. We got it this morning. I came on the microphone pre-market today. I told my entire fam, I go, guys, number one trade idea today, SPY put options. And we absolutely crushed it. I used tech as a barometer to say, okay, things are weak. And what I did was go ahead and I attacked SPY put options as the SPY broke below a major level of support around 410. I'm going to go to a 15-minute chart. I'm going to pan this out so you guys can see it. And here you will see this support level. Here you will see this support level, folks. Okay? And you will notice once we broke beneath it, the markets were done. Markets were done. We got this beautiful extension move to the downside. Okay, so what I did here, let's zoom this in now even further. Let's come to today. So here's your gap down on the SPY, right? There's your gap down. But what did I say? On the Qs, I said if we take back that bounce from yesterday, if we take it back, we're going lower. Well, look where we opened. Look at this huge gap down. We took back the whole bounce from yesterday. We took it back. That was the signal. We said it last night in the live stream. And as soon as we saw that, guys, that's when I went ahead on the SPY. And you'll see, we zoom this in. The SPY had this little double top. This little double top to start the day. Resistance at your trade line indicator. We went ahead and got put options right there. Right there, folks. We bought the $411 strike May 17th expiration put option at $3.62. $3.62 right there it was. And the rest was history. A beautiful move to the downside with a final take profit right there at $6.14. Here's your entry at $3.62. Your final take profit, $6.14. And we ended up going lower right before the close. Right before the close, you even got more downside, down to 405. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. No reason, Tom. Tom's like, why'd you play the SPY instead of the Qs? No real reason, man. The SPY has better liquidity. I mean, the Qs have great liquidity too, but the SPY has higher liquidity, and I just like to be able to get in and out of size quicker and easier. That's all. You know, I just like to get in and out of them quickly. All right. 100 contracts, Tampa Bay. 100 contracts. Marcia, 100 contracts. All right, guys. So there you have it. There you have it. There's the move on the SPY. And I don't want you guys to feel like you have to be panicking when markets go down like this. Because when markets go down like this, you guys can make money to the downside. A lot of my THD fam caught this move. Okay? A lot of my THD fam caught this move. We will show you how to do this. Okay? Why did I come on my live stream yesterday and tell you that I thought this was going to happen today? Don't be overwhelmed. Don't panic when the markets go down. You're not alone. Okay? You're not alone. And usually when you see, oh my God, the market's crashing, everyone's freaking out. Don't freak out. Stay focused. Use your education to profit on the way down. And that is what we did in chat today. My THC fam, if you guys made money on this down move today, either in SPY or Q puts, sound off in chat. Tell people that are on here that are worried watching their 401ks dwindle away, and come on and you guys let me know if you guys made money on this trade today. If you guys made money today, sound off. Comment in chat right now if you guys made money on it today. You know, this is how you guys can trade in a down market. There's an entire course dedicated to how to trade in a down market. Okay. Oh, futuristic concrete, way more. Futuristic concrete. So your position size trading a stock is going to be way higher than your position size trading an option. The option price, option volatility is way higher. Okay. Like you make 100%, lose 50% type of deal on an option trade. Okay. On a stock, you're not going to lose 50% on a stock. I mean, unless you're just completely irresponsible with your stop loss. But so my position size is way bigger when I'm trading a stock. Okay. So guys, let's talk about tomorrow a little bit. All right. Let's talk about tomorrow. What I think you really have to pay attention to tomorrow, okay, is this is not real. Don't pay attention to this tail. This tail is not real. The market did not go all the way down there. Don't pay attention. That's not real. It's a misprint. Okay. It's a misprint. Totally a misprint. So what I'm going to look for tomorrow, listen, I think we're going to get down to like 400. I think we're going to close and fill this gap. I think we're going to close and fill that gap. But tomorrow, what we're going to have to look for is the producer price index data that comes out. If that number comes out just as high above expectations as the CPI data, markets go lower. Check out the jobless claims. If that number comes back strong, meaning not a lot of jobless people, that's bad. That would fuel inflation. Okay. But if those numbers come back bad, those numbers come back weak, which means there was a lot of jobless claims, then that might settle some fears of inflation, because inflation, it's going to be very hard for inflation to really run hot, like run out of control, if unemployment is still high. Okay. You really need strong demand and low unemployment to really fuel inflation to a point where it's out of control and the Fed has to step in and raise interest rates in order to keep it cool. So these are the things that you're going to want to pay attention to. I'm not willing to make a call for you right now based on what I think the market's going to do, because it's based on the economic data. The markets the last couple of days are moving based on economic data. Finally, the markets have not been trading off of economic data for the last several months. Since COVID. Since COVID, economic numbers in 2020 were horrendous, all-time highs. Doesn't make sense, right? Now, the market's finally moving based on economic data, and everybody's having a heart attack. It's easier this way. Cause and effect. These moves make more sense. This is why you guys got to be in TTG with us. Understand the economic data. Understand what moves the markets up or down. And understand how you can benefit from it. Joni's son, welcome to the TTG family. 3 laptops left. 3 laptops left. Rob, I just saw your comment. You can't handle the truth. I just saw it. All right, guys. So I hope that was helpful. I hope you guys really learned something there. I really do. It's my goal, guys, on all of these live streams to make sure that you find value in them, that you learn something. I want to know right now if you did. If you guys got value, if you learned something from this live stream, I want you to go ahead right now. Type the number 1 in chat right now. Type the number 1 in chat right now, guys, if you got value from this live stream. Beautiful. Look at all those number 1s. Beautiful. Look at all those number 1s. That's what I'm talking about. That's my goal, guys. My goal is to really make sure, that's why I do these live streams. That's why we go over all this stuff. That's why I make this presentation that you guys can download. That's why, we do the Q&A. I answer your questions. That's why we do this stuff. I want to make sure you guys get value from these live streams. I want to make sure they're helpful. Guys, listen, for everyone that just signed up to claim your laptop, on the bottom right of our website, there's a blue support chat icon. Click on that, enter your information so we can send you your laptop. Okay. Mariana, get your ass out of here. All right, guys. So, awesome. Thank you for all those number 1s. Beautiful. Now, I want to know who here is still on the live that's not a member of True Trading Group. Type the letters TTG in chat right now. Type the letters TTG in chat right now. We got Papa Slim, my boy Cody. We got Bobby Saram, Phyllis Bryant. We got N. Lila. We got Bunty, Eldos, Lohith, G. Wild, Ariel, Rebecca Salami. Nice name. Bearded Donut, Tim Rotz. Don Beal says, what the heck are you guys waiting for? Jeff goes, get in here, people. Join us. We got Maggie. Great, guys. Beautiful. Guys, listen, all of you that are typing TTG in chat right now, we've got 3 laptops left. Okay. You guys, but what I'm about to say to you, I think you really need to pay attention to, because I know the free laptops are cool and everything, but you know, the reason to join True Trading Group is not to get a free electronic. It's to get a real education that can actually better your life and the life of your family. But no one is going to be willing to do the work for you that's needed for you to reach your goals. Okay. No one's going to be willing to do the work for you. You have to be willing to put in some time, energy, and effort. Trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. But it all starts with getting the right education, having access to the right tools, being part of the right community that's going to help you to learn, trade, and profit. And that is what True Trading Group is all about. A 1-year membership is normally $2,212. But from now until midnight, it's your last chance to save 40% and pay only $1,322 for the entire year, not a dollar more ever, and get a free laptop. There's only 3 left. So the next 3 people that use the coupon code THD121 are going to get a free laptop. The laptops are first come, first serve. Okay. There's no upsells in True Trading Group. There's no add-ons. You get full access to me and our moderators. I want you to think about TTG as the Netflix of trading communities, because you pay one price, you get access to every single thing we have. Okay. As part of your membership, you're going to get access to Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed. This is a live, breaking to the second news alert service right inside of our chat room. In this environment, especially, the trader that gets the news first wins. I can't tell you how much money I've made and saved because of this news feed. Me, my mods, my members, we all use this every single day. Every single day. What's the top news feed? Tesla suspends vehicle purchase via Bitcoin. What a surprise. What a surprise. Look at that news feed. Tesla suspends vehicle purchases with Bitcoin. Wow. Well, Elon Musk, he just can't help himself, can he? He just cannot help himself. My goodness. This guy is single-handedly manipulating the entire crypto market. It's absolutely out of control. He's going to get in trouble. Unbelievable. Everyone, you can buy Tesla with Bitcoin. Everyone, Dogecoin to the moon. Goes on Saturday Night Live. Dogecoin is a hustle. The very next day, you can go to space with SpaceX via Dogecoin. Then a couple days later, you can no longer buy Teslas with Bitcoin. He's literally single-handedly moving the entire crypto market. Out of control. Out of control. Watch, tomorrow he'll announce that you can buy a Tesla with Dogecoin. And that's why they stopped accepting Bitcoin. Unbelievable. Well, anyway, guys, this is a invaluable service, okay? This is included for free with your membership. Benzinga charges $1,188 a year for this service. It's included free with your membership, okay? On top of that, you also get quote streams, real-time level 1, real-time full book level 2, and real-time options data included in your membership as well. Guys, that full book level 2 with the options data, that would cost you $990 a year. If you paid for it on your own, it's included free with your membership. It comes with ETNA's Trade Simulator. This lets you trade stocks and options with fake money while you practice implementing what you learned in the courses. Prove you can make money on the simulator first before you start trading with real money. Remember, learn, trade, profit in that order. Okay? Guys, ETNA charges $750 a year to use their simulator. It is free with your membership. Then you get access to Trade Ideas Scanner. This is streamed to our members live throughout the day. This will show you what are the best stocks that you should be trading. Stocks that are making new highs, that have a surge in volume, stocks that are your top gainers, your top losers, leading gappers. Guys, it's all right there. It's streamed to our members live throughout the course of the day. This will help you with stock selection. How do you know what stock to trade? This will help with that. Then you also have access to TradingView's Pro charting software. This is one of the most commonly used charting softwares by active traders today. It's included for free. It's yours. TradingView, guys, they charge $720 a year for their Pro charting software. It is included for free with your membership. We're going to pull it up here in just a second. There you go. There's the charting software. Guys, all of these tools I'm showing you right now are included with your membership. There's no additional fee. There's no extra charge or cost for or upsell to use any of these things. When you use coupon code TGD121, you get access to all these things included. But if you paid for these 4 services on your own, not a member of True Trading Group, it would cost you $3,648 a year. They're all included, and you can get it right now for just $13.22. You're also going to get 10 minimum, 10 easy to follow, actionable real-time alerts per week from a community of traders that's currently sporting an 83% win rate. We are fully transparent in TTG. We keep a trading journal on our website that tracks every buy and every sell that our moderators make. So you can see all our wins, all our losses, all our break-evens. They're all right there on the website for you guys to see. You're also going to get access to one small private study group with a TTG moderator. This is your chance to ask questions, get help with lessons and topics that you need help with. Then you've got the courses. You have access to the entire curriculum. There's no special VIP pro courses that cost more money. Okay, you get access to every course. This is a simplified version of what I learned while working at the fund in New York. You got beginner and foundation courses that'll help you guys out if you've never traded stock a day in your life. Okay, you've also got, hold on. You've also got advanced courses, option courses, swing trading courses, trader psychology courses that I told you guys before. All of our members, they say that that's their favorite course. And there's also a course that teaches you how to trade in a down market. Okay, all the courses are in text and video format, guys. They're all right there for you to learn. You get access to all of them. Then on top of that, you've got a video library with over 100 hours of additional educational video content that are workshops and webinars like how to trade with a small account, how to trade while working a full-time job, how to resist FOMO, just to name a couple. And of course, the chat room where me and the mods, we share our screen. We're live on the mic. We're calling out trades in real time. You guys have access to us. You can DM us, send us messages. This is what you guys get. This is the value you're getting as a member of True Trading Group. I'm telling you guys this now. Use coupon code TTG121. There's 3 laptops left. Lock in that 40% discount because our price is going up. At midnight tonight, our price goes up by a couple bucks, and we're going to continue to raise our price every day. We're going to be over $2,000 very soon. That's still cheaper than our competition, and we give you 10 times the value. I told you earlier, our goal is to disrupt this entire industry. In order to do that, we've got to provide value and results at a price that is substantially less than any of our so-called competitors. This isn't a sales gimmick, guys. We will be moving our price at $2,500 before you know it. Lock in the $13.22 price point now. Get the 40% discount now. If you paid $13.22 today, when your membership renews next year, you only will pay $13.22. You're securing that price for life. So even if we're $2,500 next year, you'll only pay $13.22 to renew. And you get the free laptop in the meantime. Okay. Guys, what it comes down to, okay, is the value that you are getting. You have to look at this as an investment in yourself. Okay. Because for $13.22, the value you're getting is absolutely insane. My TTG fam, the guy, everyone that's on this live stream right now, You tell me right now what you think a membership to True Trading Group is worth. Anyone that's still considering joining the group? Anyone that's considering joining, has not yet pulled the trigger, I want you to pay attention to the comments that are about to come through chat right now. Flynn Lowe says 10K, the education's priceless. Marcia says it's priceless. Trade Day J says the life of my firstborn. Futuristic says I actually made my lifetime membership today in one day. Kawakawa says easily 5K. Matt says it's worth every penny. Michael Todd said at least 5K. Don says it's priceless. Kat Bendelli says it's invaluable. Stacy Rose says 10K. Jeff says priceless. Yatradio says 10K easy, brother. Oh, Money Flow says $9,997 minimum. Bruce Sear says TTD is life-changing. The opportunity is priceless. Bob says it's priceless. BG says they pay $500 a month. Rose Smith says it's worth $5,000. 7,500 says Geo. Priceless says Lex. $7,000 says Tampa Bay Buckeye. Guys, big warm welcome to Vaindgar. Vaindgar, welcome to the TTG family. Guys, 2 laptops left. That's it. 2 laptops left, guys. 2 laptops left. Now, my TTG fam, how many of you have already made that membership fee back? And if so, in what time frame? If you are a TTG member, you've already made back your membership. How long did it take? Took Chuck E 3 days. Took Lotus 1 month. It took BG 3 trades. 1 week for Flinlow. 6 weeks for Kawakawa. 2 trades for Jason Green. 1 day for Michael Todd. Badri made it back in 2 days. Marcia, 3 weeks. 3 weeks for Jason. Less than 2 months for Bruce. Soccer Mom has been a member for 2 weeks. She's already up $400, but she's learning a lot and going through the courses. Joseph Gonzaga made it back today and then some. Tyler McRae made their membership cost back in 2 days. Massimo, not yet, but is still working on it. Only been there for 27 days. Glenn Wilson did it in 2 days. Bob Soar did it in 1 week. Pavan did it in 1 month. State Ashbury did it, made their lifetime membership fee in 2 months. Reed made their lifetime membership in 1 month. Okay. There you guys have it. Anyone that's willing or that's considering to join the group, guys, don't even listen to me. Listen to our members. Listen to your peers. We're 5-star rated on Trustpilot, folks. I encourage you to go read some of those reviews. Over 1,100 people have taken the time to leave us a review on Trustpilot. That's crazy. Over 1,100 people. Guys, we've only been live to the public since 2017. And there's already over 1,100 people that have left us a review on Trustpilot. That's nuts. 5-star rated. Go read them. Okay? Go read them. And like I said, guys, we always get back to our members. Don't forget, we're 78% of the way there for our next Tesla $30,000 giveaway. All you got to do is be a member of TTG, and you can have a chance at winning 30 grand or a Tesla. Don't forget, we got 2 laptops left, guys. Coupon code TTG121. And last but not least, I will leave you with this. There's 2 laptops left. So there's 2 people that are on this live stream right now. I'm speaking directly to you that are going to fill this up. Here's what I'm willing to do. Anyone that uses coupon code TTG121 by midnight tonight, if you go through all our courses, pass our quizzes, and a 10-day private study group, if you do those 3 things, that tells me you put in some effort, you tried. If you don't make back your membership fee, $1,322 here tonight, if you don't make that back at least once through your membership, I'll give you all your money back. How's that? I'll give you a full refund if you don't make your membership fee back once after doing those 3 things. That's how confident I am this can work for you. You have to be willing to put in some energy and effort, though, behind it. I stand behind my platform. I stand behind my education. I put my money where my mouth is. All right. Guys, there's only 2 laptops left. Okay. But don't join True Trading Group because you're going to get a free laptop. Once we're out of the laptops, you guys will get free Amazon Kindle Fire HD tablets, which are badass. You know, they're like the perfect tool, like for you to be on the go. You know, when you're trading on the go, it's a perfect tool. Don't join TTG because you're getting a free electronic. You know, don't join because you're getting a free electronic. Get a real education. Okay, become a profitable trader and go buy all the electronics you want from Best Buy. My TTG fam, you guys happy with your Kindles? I know there's a lot of TTG members that are on here right now that they got Kindles when they joined up. My TTG fam, you guys happy with your Kindles? I can comment in chat right now if you guys are happy with your Kindles. Yeah, right? They're awesome. It's free. It's a free Amazon Kindle Fire HD. You know, badass. Fully internet connected, you know, like badass. Use them. They're yours. All right. So like I said, guys, coupon code TTG121. You got 2 laptops left, and then it's Amazon Kindles after that. But sign up to True Trading Group because you want to actually learn how to do this. We got Horatio. Guys, welcome. Welcome to the TTG family. That's it. One more laptop. 1 laptop left. That's it. 1 laptop left. But like I said, guys, join TTG because you want to invest in yourself, because you want to get an education. You want to give this a shot. You want to learn what's going on in the markets. You want to understand why markets go up, why markets go down, and how you can make money whether we're going up or down. I would advise you guys really, you know, sign up and go through that how to trade in a market crash course. I made that course during the March COVID sell-off is when I made that how to trade during a market crash course. And it could be very useful for you in the very near future. All right. Use coupon code TTG121. Get your butts in chat. We'll see what happens tomorrow. I'm going to be all over this data. Okay. I'm going to be all over this data. Okay. Jobless claims, producer price index. Guys, I started this, you know, I started in 2007 and then 2008 happened. The great market crash. This is my specialty. All right. Don't forget, 2008 is when I received one of the Trader of the Year awards from my firm. So you guys are in good hands. I'll show you guys how to do this. I'll walk you through it. I'll see you guys all in chat tomorrow, guys. Later, gang.